Introduction to Gus on the Go.
Gus on the Go is a fun language learning app for kids that uses interactive games and stories. Setting daily learning goals in the app helps children stay motivated and make steady progress. In this guide, you'll learn how parents and kids can work together to create effective, achievable daily milestones while enjoying the language journey.
Accessing the app and user profile.
Start by opening the Gus on the Go app on your child's device. From the main menu, locate the User Profile or Settings section. Here, you can view your child's current progress and adjust language options. If your child uses the app with help, take a moment to explore together and talk about their favorite lessons and activities.
Choosing daily content goals.
Decide on realistic daily learning goals based on your child's age and attention span. For example, you might choose to complete one new vocabulary lesson or a set of interactive games each day. Involve your child in the decision so the goal feels fun, not overwhelming. Consistently choosing achievable milestones encourages confidence and steady learning.
Setting and tracking progress.
Use the app's built-in tracking features, such as lesson completion stars or progress charts, to monitor your child's daily milestones. Review their progress at the end of each session and celebrate successes. If the app does not track goals directly, create a chart or checklist together outside the app to visualize progress and stay motivated.
Adjusting and celebrating achievements.
As your child grows more comfortable, adjust daily goals to match their interests and learning speed. Celebrate achievements with positive feedback, small rewards, or extra story time. The key is to make language learning enjoyably and rewarding every day with Gus on the Go, fostering good study habits and a lifelong love of learning.